day in Cebu, and then the next day was our flight. So we are at Mactan, Cebu International Airport, and our flight was about 3 p.m. that day. It was a very smooth process sa immigration. So boarding time. So I was just carrying Caleb using the carrier and 2 hand carries. So shout out sa Cebu Pacific staff for helping me carry their bag. Minutes after nakalingkod niya sa plane, tulog lang si Caleb. So that's very good. And like an hour or two later, si Caleb on the ship.
항공기의 문이 닫힌 상태입니다.
So for Caleb's ear protection, we bought earmuff online. So sa among biyahe, nagdala ko reading materials for Caleb, coloring materials, crayons, para malinaw si Caleb for the whole trip. And then so far, for the whole trip namo, wala siya phone, just windows, some windows, and stickers. That's number 1 tip. When you are traveling, especially with women.
is a time difference between Incheon, South Korea and Cebu, Philippines. Incheon being 1 hour ahead. Ground temperature is at 22 degrees centigrade. On behalf of your flight deck crew headed by Captain Korea, with Lady First Officer Dimagirad, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important cruise. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain switches off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. For guests with infants, the infant life vest shall be collected after defibrillation.
So, nakagawas na mi, and this is the most chapoy na part sa among trip is katong palakaw para pagawa sa plane and then pagkuha sa luggage. So, very layo ang Macau, and then I was just alone, and then I have 2 hand carry bags and also Caleb using just the carrier. So, mommy, nagkita na sila sa iyong papa. And then, happy. Caleb! Ako sa airport. Malcolm! Caleb! Hello? Caleb! Hi! Oh! Saan ka? Ha? Yeah. Ikaw Hi! Pero lagi ka din na dito ano. Nagatumbag. Oh, tagaktak mong papag shoes. Bye-bye. So, pasakay namin yung taxi. Padumi anak sa Sean Church. We'll be staying there for a week. So, thank you for watching.